Hey there, with all the buzz about the BRICS countries, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa trying to create a new global currency to replace the US dollar, it's easy to get caught up in the hype. People are shouting, buy gold, the dollar's done. But let's take a step back. I've been helping folks with money for over 40 years, and I'm here to break this down simply with a touch of my dry number crunching style. The BRICS folks think they can just decide to kick the dollar out like picking a new team captain. But that's not how it works. The dollar became the world's top currency because it's strong, reliable, and trusted, not because a bunch of countries voted for it. It's like the kid who's great at basketball. Everyone wants them on their team naturally. The BRICS are missing this point, and their plan might not go as smoothly as they hope. Now, about gold, you've probably heard it's the real world currency. Sure, gold's valuable, shiny, heavy, and cool to own. But imagine you need cash for groceries, and all you have is a gold bar. How do you pay? You can't just chip off a piece at the store. You'd need to sell it, and the price you get depends on the market that day. I remember living in Germany in the 1960s, swapping dollars for marks. The rate changed daily, and you never knew what you get. Gold's the same. It's risky if you're counting on it for quick cash. Here's the big mistake: rushing to buy gold because of fear of missing out. FOMO. Gold salespeople don't care if your finances are a mess. They just want your money. I've seen it too often. Close to 90% of people don't have their money organized, and that's a problem. If you pour everything into gold or a 401k and then hit a financial snag like a big medical bill, where do you get cash? Sell your 401k. That wrecks your retirement plan. Buy gold. Without a plan, you're gambling with your future. The economy's been chugging along for years and a total collapse isn't likely. But your personal finances, they're almost guaranteed to hit rough patches if you don't plan ahead. That's where my lifetime economic acceleration process, LEAP, comes in. Personal economic coach is like a roadmap for your money covering three big areas: protection, like insurance; savings for emergencies; and growth to build wealth. It's got 27 checkpoints to make sure you're covered no matter what. With my personal economic coach, PEC system at personaleconomiccoach.com, me and my team help you follow this roadmap. We use tools like the Macro Financial Fitness Simulator to spot weak spots, like overpaying for car insurance or not having enough savings, and fix them. Think of us as your money coaches, keeping you on track so you don't panic when the news screams about BRICS or gold. Here's a real example. One client had all his money tied up in a 401k. When his car broke down, he had to sell part of it, losing thousands in taxes and fees. With a personal economic coach, we'd have set up a savings bucket for emergencies so his retirement stayed safe. That's the kind of planning that beats FOMO every time. So should you buy gold? Yes, but only after your finances are in order. Gold's a hedge against risk, not a magic fix. If you skip the planning, you're just swapping one risk for another. Want to get started? Head to personaleconomiccoach.com and book a free chat with us. We'll show you how to protect your money, no strings attached. And if you're curious about what the wealthy do differently, grab my book, Why the Rich Are Rich and You're Not, at whythericararick.com. Don't let BRICS or gold hype steer you wrong. Plan smart and your wallet will thank you.